everyone, it's Anthony with 5 and 2 Ministries with your daily bread. Let's reflect on Matthew 11:28 through 30, which says, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." As we move into the weekend, many of us are carrying the weight of the weekly struggles, challenges, and the exhaustion that life often brings. The demands of work, family, and personal aspirations can leave us feeling down, beaten up, and tired. Yet, in these moments of weariness, we are invited to find solace and strength in Jesus' words. His invitation is a powerful reminder that we are not alone in our struggles. He acknowledges our burdens and offers us a profound promise of rest, a rest that is not just physical, but a deep spiritual rejuvenation that refreshes our souls. Jesus calls us to take his yoke upon ourselves and learn from him. In agricultural terms, a yoke is a wooden crosspiece fastened over the necks of two animals and attached to the plow or cart they pull. It signifies shared work and effort. By taking on Jesus' yoke, we are invited to partner with him in our journey. His yoke is easy and his burden is light because he shares our load and offers us guidance, strength, and comfort. Unlike the world, which often demands more than we can give, Jesus offers us a compassionate and understanding heart. He doesn't add to our burdens, but lifts them from us, providing a space where we can learn and grow without the fear of judgment or failure. As you step into the weekend, make a conscious decision to rest. This rest is not merely a physical relaxation, but about taking time to reconnect with God. Spend moments in prayer, meditation, and reading the Bible to rejuvenate your spirit. Identify the things that are weighing you down. Write them down and offer them up to God in prayer. Trust that he is capable of handling them and that you don't have to carry them alone. Engage with the community of faith that supports and uplifts you. Sharing your struggles and joys with others who are also seeking rest in Christ can provide mutual encouragement and strength. Remember, you are loved and valued. No matter how challenging this week has been, there is always hope in Jesus. He invites you to lay down your burdens and find true rest in him. His love is a constant source of renewal and restoration. Take heart in knowing that with Jesus, every new day brings a promise of hope, healing, and restoration. Embrace this weekend as a time to recharge and renew, knowing that with God, all things are possible. Thanks for listening, and have a blessed day.